Coming into the win, this is rider 122. This is Zazou Hoffman. Zazou rides with Mary Sweeney. This young rider is the winner of the McClays final at Syracuse, New York last fall. An amazing accomplishment. She is riding Silk Road.
I like the way you say it.
Better known around the barn as Bird. Bird is an 8-year-old thoroughbred. Says he's not a fun horse to work with. He's one of the few full thoroughbreds seen in the show jumping today. He's been a great help and has really helped her riding.
Yeah, it doesn't look the damn
One rail down. Cleaning over 9 up and down in the sunken road. Coming back into the ring.
again.
It rests, that stays up. Clean over at 17, now heading into the triple. Rail down the axle, rail on the single. Clean over that.
Woo! Hey, Zazou!
Only got 2. Big over that Swedish Oxer at 3, heading into the keys. Some rail fence coming out, clean, out of the ring, up to Malibu line, big over. Heading up to Riley's Rescue, big up and over. And 17, clean over 17. Heading into 18, over the Oxer, over the single, over the Oxer.
Good for him.
I'd like to thank Kathy for being an excellent role model and for
Moved to England.
they call Pete around the
That's her older
That's who's
sister.
in college.
Older sister.
Yeah.
And she's going to miss him when she goes to college. Clean over 1 and 2, now heading to the Swedish Oxer at 3 in the Westlake Village Inn. Big and easy over there. Heading now to the keys.
Pretty horse.
Easy over keys. Heading up the hill to Malibu Line. That's an accusation. He makes her look better as a rider. Looking good so far. Clean over 3. Clean up over 4. Heading out of the main ring. For the clear out to the Malibu Line.
Abe said he's not taking people. I said,
Clearing 12 jumping balls. Down at 15. On to the Riley Rescue at 16. Rail at 16.
she said that. She said if she's
Fence
not.
at 17. Clean.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Heading into the equine insurance fences at 18 A and B.
Yes.
And then over the battle.